Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your PayPal account from eBay. So doing this won't delete your PayPal account altogether, it will just simply unlink it from eBay. So what we need to do is go to eBay and log into your account and then click on My eBay. Then move to the account section. And then under here where it says My Account, click on PayPal account. And then we can see here where it says Buying on eBay. And right next to it there is an unlink accounts link here. Click on that. Then you're going to need to re-sign into your eBay account. And now the account will have been unlinked. If we scroll down to PayPal account information, you can see we no longer have a PayPal account linked to the eBay account. So that's all you have to do. If this video did help you out, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.